other things. Where? Guys, an avocado tree looks very pretty. In the village, you can't erect a perimeter wall. When you see these ones drying up, it means I'm just surprised about it. This one is, it is almost ready. Here I am. I just want to take you through a quick farm tour. Yeah, so the maize. This is the maize farm. Here are maize. You can see kales over there. Yeah, we have kales over there. Then we have the banana plant over here. Let me show you. Yeah, the banana plant, and as you can see, they are almost ready. There is this one, then there is the other one over here, then there is something that has intertwined on this banana plant, over here. These are vegetables. They are like that slippery, yeah, like the mrenda. They are like the mrenda. So here the vegetable, you can see they are on the banana plant because they grow like kind of tendril. That's why they are climbing the banana plant over there, guys. Then we have something over here. I'm just surprised. I'm just surprised about it. This one is lemon. Yeah, we never used to have it. I'm just surprised. I don't know how it got itself over here, but you can see this is the lemon. Let me show you the leaves. Yeah, the thorn leaves over here. Thorn leaves over here. This is the lemon. So that is a lemon tree with the banana plant over there. Then we have a few trees over there. So guys, I'll be showing you these are still bananas, even though our bananas, they are almost over, because you can see here, here we removed this one because they were very ready, so we need to plant other ones. Right now we don't have bananas. Then there is a cassava tree over here. This is a cassava tree, guys. That is a cassava tree. Then over there, let me show you sugar cane, guys. So we have a small sugar cane farm over here. A small sugar cane farm over here. They are very tall and they're not ready. I don't know why. They're very tall, guys. Let me move a little bit, you see. They are very tall and they're not ready. Yeah, you can see even the other one over there. Yeah, you can see even the other one over there. These sugarcane are very tall and they're not ready. So we have the sugarcane. There is that one. There is this one. The other one over there. Then we have this one. We have this one. So guys, there is a guava tree over here. Some guava trees over here. Very unfortunately, it is not a guava season. We have a guava tree over here. You see this one. A lot of guavas, guys. Then there is the other one over there. There is another one over there. This one. Yeah, so very unfortunately, it is not guava season. I would have shown you how it looks. Then here there is sugar cane. Yeah, here there is sugar cane, but this one is like it is almost ready, because when you see this, when you see these ones drying up, it means, you know, when they dry up over there, it means it is almost ready because they have dried. Then when you go down, you can see this one, it's like it is ready. This sugar cane, it seems to be ready. So that is it. Let's move, guys. Let's move. So this is our fence. This is our fence, guys. Yeah, you know, in the village we live like, okay, like a community. So like this is our neighbor but our relative, so you can't erect a perimeter wall in the village. Yeah, as I was saying, like the way you see, this is a fence and that is our neighbor and still our relative. So in the village you can't erect a perimeter wall. Reason being, you live like a community. Yeah, you are like sons and daughters of someone. So the moment you erect a perimeter wall, it's like you are getting out of, you know, that family. You want to be you alone, you see. Me, myself and I, it's like that way. So yeah, you can have a gate at the same time, maybe a small perimeter wall, but you can't fence the whole compound just like that, because we are sons of or daughters of one person. So erecting a perimeter wall, it's kind of difficult, no matter if you have money. Then we have here an avocado tree, guys. An avocado tree looks very pretty, very green. Yeah, actually right now we don't have an avocado tree, because we used to have it, but we cutted it off. So right now we are just relying on this one for it to flourish. Then we can count ourselves we are having an avocado tree. So let me continue taking you around. So guys, yeah, this is part of our farm. Over there it is a river. I think I'll have to take you guys over there. There is a river. Then right now we don't have much in the farm, so there is a cassava over here that is doing very well. You can see there is a cassava over here. Yeah, then from that one, I don't know which plant is this, but it looks a bit cool. It looks a bit cool. Wow. I don't know. Then we have some bananas over here in this. Okay, so guys, here are some of our bananas. They are over here. Some maize over there. We are taking them off. Yeah, and even another guava over here. Another guava over here. So because today we don't have much in the farm, that is my little seeds over there. Okay guys, so it is getting hot and hotter, but that is our farm. I don't know if I can zoom. In the farm it is just maize. Or should I get down here so that I can show you other things? Where? Guys, will I manage? Okay. Yeah, it is just maize as you see, as you are seeing. I don't think if we have anything much in this farm. I don't think if we have anything much. Oh, the napier grass. The napier grass, maybe it is what you need to see. It is just a normal farm. Like, yeah, it is just a normal farm. Guavas are there. Then we still have other guavas over there. Then there is this napier grass, guys. There is this napier grass. So I think it is new. Like, okay, it is not overgrown. Like, it was planted recently. That's why it seems like this. So there is the napier grass, then the maize. A lot of trees are over there, like these trees on this line. So guys, this one, it is still a napier grass farm. Then we have this one. These are vegetables. Then we have other vegetables over there. Yeah, all these are just vegetables. Then the other side, it is napier grass, and even over here we are having napier grass. Yeah, that way. The other side, it is napier grass. Over here that way. Then the vegetable that we have, they are this one. So these vegetables are a bit bitter, and me, I don't like bitter vegetables. Then guys, some cassavas are still here. It's like the cassavas are round. Yeah, they are still there. Cassavas over there. So guys, I think that is it. We want to cut all of this maize. We want to put them down so that we can start preparing for the next maize season. Yeah, in these parts right now it is rainy. It is in December. We usually have heavy rains. Yeah, like today it has rained like twice. Yesterday it rained thrice. In one day it rained thrice, like in the morning, at lunchtime, then in the evening. But today at least we can see sun somewhere, and it is very funny. After it has rained, we have a hot sun out there. Like me right now, I just feel like okay, and I'm wearing black. The sun is too much. Even I feel unable looking in the camera. So that is my farm tour. That is how our farm our farm looks like. Yeah, we plant, these are just usual things that I think even you plant them, or what have you seen a new thing? Just leave in the comment section. If you have seen a new thing that you don't plant over there, leave in the comment section. That is it, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and bye bye.